This video shows how to buy shares of TOMI Environmental Solutions Inc. and explains the basics of the company. TOMI trades on the NASDAQ under the ticker TOMZ. This is an educational overview and not financial advice. To trade, you need a broker. I'll use eToro as an example to demonstrate the steps. After registering, you will need to verify your account, usually with an identity document, and add funds to be able to place a purchase. Use the platform search bar and type the ticker TOMZ to find the listing. Check the search results carefully to select the correct TOMI Environmental Solutions Inc. stock. On the asset page, you will see basic company information and a price chart to review historical moves. Confirm the company name and ticker to ensure this is the correct security. Choose the amount you want to invest and set either a market or limit order, then review and confirm your order details before submitting. If the market is closed, execution will wait according to your order type, and if there are insufficient funds, the platform will prompt you to add money before confirming. Once the order is executed, your position will appear in your portfolio. A link to eToro is in the description if you want to follow the same steps.